Well, another fine adjustment this morning. It's going to be a quick handheld. Let's take this SST out 16 and see if she'll go through her steering loops. Getting aggravating. About ready to get this thing either fixed or she's going to get a bullet. Gonna run along here. Hopefully the noise isn't too bad. Here we are and forward. Here we are going to the right. Here we are going to the left, straight ahead. Turn. You can see this thing is just immaculate for like a steering wheel, not those levers. Let's see if we can come up here. Run along here. We don't have the mower deck on. So far, it looks like the diaphragm is holding. I had a bad adjustment on one of the steering to the right. Now, let's see if I turn this thing right around in itself. Now, with the mower running, you can't do reverse. Let's do reverse. And let's steer. So far, everything looking hunky-dory this morning. And get that daggum mower deck done this afternoon. Didn't get it done yesterday. It was way too hot. Went in and worked in the trim shop yesterday afternoon. Let's go in reverse. Let's see. There we go. We're in reverse around. Head towards the neighbors. Let's make a zero steer. Let's head back to the shop and get to work on that mower deck. Get this thing going. Mr. Pepper brought me back my Troy built Bronco this morning, so I do have a fallback till I get this thing 100%. Yeah, if I could get that trolley out of the middle of this thing, I'd be working up here on this deck, but that trolley up there has been there for about 4 years. And unfortunately, all the rollers are seized up, and that'll be another project. All right, SST. So far, knock on wood this morning. We might do a follow-up as soon as we get that mower deck all redone. We're out of here for Saturday the 10th, VRS.